My name is Jason. I'm from Stratford Preparatory, and this is my smart glasses project with modifications. So the first modifications I added were having a holder here for my OLED screen, also having a holder for like the module here, and I also have a microphone to take input. More on that later, and speakers to produce output. More on that later as well. So I'll show a demo of my project. Upload. Send. And finally, terminate. Okay, so what just happened there was first, I took a picture and I uploaded it to my Google Drive. So I took a picture right over there, and as you can see, this is what came out. And and I basically sent that picture to Gemini and asked it to describe what was happening. So I'll go into more technical explanation of what's happening in my code. First off, I'm having Pi Audio running and picking up my audio inputs, and I'm having Vosk like take those audio inputs and try to recognize that. So then after that, I have there's three possible inputs that can happen. First, it's terminate, which just stops the everything, which is why I put a little X on the screen so that like people could see that, oh, I'm terminating it, I'm stopping it. Next, I have send. And what send does is it shows the Gemini logo on the OLED screen, and it's just basically going to send it to Gemini and return Gemini's response via the speakers using text to speech. And finally, I have upload, which puts an upload icon on the OLED screen, and then it just takes a picture with the PyCam and sends it to my Google Drive, like here. And some challenges I ran into was first, the OLED screen was not connecting properly. And at first I thought that it was this ribbon right here that was a problem. But later I realized these wires were the problem. So I hot glued them all together and used a multimeter, the continuity to test, and made sure the current was flowing through. My next challenge was that this 3D printed mounts over here, this one and this one, it took some time for me to like get used to like the 3D printing software. And yeah, I also it took some time to get used to the caliper as well. But once I figured out how to use it, I quickly made these molds and they fit well. And at first I was kind of scared because when the screen went into this mold, it was a little tight. And I had to kind of force it in, but now it just slides smoothly, so works well. And what's next is actually I don't really have anything left because this is my final modification.